This is Humayun Kabir. I'm going to talk about light pollutions. Did you hear about light pollutions? I think that you hear a different sort of pollutions like water pollutions, environment pollutions, and so many things. But I think that you also know about light pollutions because of you are very intelligent. So I learned some things in this regard. So I just try to my level best to share my knowledge. What did I learn actually? And what is the light pollutions? The light pollutions is the one sort of things which is constantly bothering to appear our natural beauty. As you know that environment pollutions, it is constantly bothering also our human lives, wildlife, and environment. If I mention about our environment, we are constantly consumes our energy, and that is why we can contribute carbon emissions, and it is really terrible for our planet. On the other hand, we can sleep perfectly because of light pollutions. It is always disrupting our natural patterns sleep. And the most important thing is that there are plenty of animals who are not able to breathing precisely. Why it is happening? Because of light pollutions. If I mention specifically like migratory birds, sea turtles, and so many animals who are not able to breathing. Actually, light pollution is constantly happening after industrial globalizations. There are some causes like we are decorating our house by different sort of lights. There's a lot of billboard. There's a lot of sporting venue, security lightings. It's really bothering our planet. So I always love to say a story. Honorable moderator and dear audience. So let's reminiscence our childhood. Once the time we had seen a plenty of stars over the sky. Did you ask yourself that why it is not available on the sky? Did you ask yourself? Because of light pollutions. And why it is happening? Almost 15,000 satellites installed over the sky. And America is the first country who has 90,000 satellites. China is the second country, and Russia is the third country. And the lightning, actually, a satellite is constantly bothering to appear the stars. Even what's the time? So before leave my place, I would like to say something. To be honest, you won't never truly dark sky because of you don't know what you are missing and you don't know what humanity is losing. Thank you for coming today.